My God, look at the weather. Jesus. Jesus, on the front street, nearly flooded, man. God. Good. Man. Let's hope that it doesn't flood the place, man. Hey. Wow. Let's check out the backyard, okay? Let's go to the backyard. Wow. Wow. Oh, crap. Bigger rain, man. Jesus. Oh, my God. Look at that. Extreme weather. Whoa. Pray the Buddha. Pray the Buddha. Nam mô Di Đại Phật. Nam mô Di Đại Phật. Please let the rain stop. Everyone's scared. Please stop. Please stop. Oh, run! Just save yourself, car. No. No.
Come here.
Yes.
Show you.
Yes.
What this?
You.
I'm not sleep here.
Not me.
Disgusting.
Blah.